preheat the oven. Alright, here you'll use a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Next, a teaspoon of parsley flakes. A teaspoon of steakhouse seasoning. Then 3 slices of bread. And then you're just going to use some milk and let that soak into the bread. Then while that's soaking, you're going to take your chopped up mozzarella. Here I have 10 for 10 meatballs, and just use 1 tablespoon of flour. This helps prevent the cheese from oozing out of the meatballs, although it still may have some spillage of cheese when it's cooked. Now moving back to the bowl, now you're just going to mash the bread and meat together. Now you're just going to mash these into a patty, place the cheese in the middle, fold it in, and then start rolling it into a ball. And I'm making about 10 of these, medium sized. I'm going to bake these for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Once they're done, you're going to take them out and pour the sauce on top and place them back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes.